Okay, this video is to help you with creating a binomial distribution, um, and then you can answer questions from that and using that on your homework or the project. So here we go. So I've just kind of brought up some of your homework, question 8 and 6.2. So here we go. So I have stress at work and a poll about work. So stress at work. In a poll about work, 72% of the respondents said that their jobs were sometimes or always stressful. 12 workers are chosen at random. Round the answers to 4 decimal places. What is the probability that exactly 11 of them find their jobs stressful? So then we're entering the probability. So there's 4 parts to this. So what I want to do is I want to create a binomial distribution, the whole thing, so the whole chart. So I want my x and I want my p of x in Excel. So when I find these, I will be able to answer the questions easier, kind of thing. So I'm not going to enter them here though. So what I'm going to use MegaStat. There is a video out there that I've created a little while ago about how to do it in regular Excel. So if you don't have MegaStat, if you couldn't download it, you can use that video and search for me and find it. So I want to use MegaStat. So I'm going to go to MegaStat. I am doing a distribution. So let's see. So what do we got here? So probability, under probability, we have discrete probability distributions, and that's binomial. So binomial discrete probability distributions is what we're looking at. So what I have, number of trials. So I'm using 12 workers. 12 workers are chosen, not 11. So that's what we want to find exactly, but this distribution will give us to that. So we use n is 12, right? X, so our x that we're looking at is 11. And the probability of success of getting somebody who is sometimes or always stressful is 0.72. So, right, 72%. And now let's click OK. We can display the graph. We can not display the graph depending upon what we need. And there's the probability distribution. So if I want exactly 11 of them are stressful, if I randomly choose 12 individuals from the job and I want to find the probability that exactly 11 of them are stressful about their job, then that is this 0.0905. So let's see. So round to 4 decimals, so 0.09057. No, that's 5, so 6. Check, and next. So what is the probability that more than 9 of them find their job? More than 9 of them find their job. If I select more than 9 of them, then Excel is pretty nice. It gives a little sum, the new Excel, right down here. If I just want to sum that up, I can sum that up with a sum equation. I can go equals to sum more, right? So, and then we select the numbers we want. So the more than 9 probabilities, and hit enter. And there's the probability. So 30%, basically 33. So what are we looking at? We're rounding to 4 decimal places again. So 73, check. What is the probability that fewer than 6 find their job stressful? Fewer than 6. So that's less than 6 here. So right here, there's less than 6. Fewer than 6 finds their job stressful. There's the sum right down here again. So what do we got? We got 0.0267 rounded to 4 decimal place. Check. There we go. Now part 4 of 4. Would it be unusual if fewer than 5 of them find their jobs stressful? Would it be unusual? So then few of them find their jobs stressful. So fewer than 5. Fewer than 5 would be this group. That sum is 0.0060, which is like 0.6%. And we consider something unusual if it's less than 5%, and it is. So it would be unusual if fewer than 5 of them find their job stressful, since the probability of that is 0.006. Check. Done. All right, hope you find this useful, particularly for your Excel project.